Hey everyone, welcome to The Explainer. I am absolutely thrilled to have you here. Look, if you've been feeling like your business's tech stack is just getting completely out of control lately, you're in exactly the right place. Today, we're diving into a real masterclass on streamlining enterprise intelligence. We're going to break down exactly how you take a bloated, confusing AI stack and transform it into a sleek, automated engine, what we're calling an AI operating system. Let's just jump right in. Okay, so let's face a pretty harsh reality right out of the gate. It's an uncomfortable truth a lot of businesses are dealing with right now. You probably have multiple AI subscriptions running at this exact moment, but none of it is actually making you money. I know, it's a tough pill to swallow. Despite all the wild advancements we've seen, just buying access to these tools, it isn't translating into tangible ROI. We're opening our wallets, but we really aren't getting more done. Which brings us to part one, the broken AI tech stack and subscription fatigue. Just think about the typical bloated enterprise stack for a second. Your company's probably paying for ChatGPT for some tasks, maybe Claude for others, Copilot for your devs, plus all your standard tools like Slack, Microsoft, and Google. Honestly, you probably have more AI subscriptions than streaming services at this point. And this subscription fatigue happens because these tools just pile up organically without any sort of central strategy. So your team is constantly context switching, bouncing from window to window, and your data is completely siloed. And as we know, fragmentation is literally the enemy of efficiency. And this right here gets to the absolute core of the problem. Your current AI tools are basically passive. Think about it. What do they actually do? They answer questions. You type in a prompt, you get some text back, and then wait for a human to actually interpret and do something with it. But the paradigm shift we're talking about is the AI operating system. An AIOS doesn't just sit around waiting to be asked, it takes action. It executes tasks autonomously. That's the fundamental difference here, the difference between a tool that assists you and a system that actually works for you. Moving on to Section 2, meet the AIOS, your unified enterprise intelligence. So what does this actually look like in practice? Well, an AI operating system is a unified platform. And critically, and the source material highlights this, it can be deployed into growing companies in just 90 days. Imagine the sheer relief of consolidating all those disjointed bills into one single subscription. But, it goes way beyond just billing. It integrates right into the interfaces your team uses every single day, deploying agents that actually take action across your entire existing software stack. It meets your team exactly where they already are. Let's break this down further in Section 3, the 4 essential OS capabilities, or the anatomy of an AI stack. Okay, so every successful AIOS installation needs 4 mandatory capabilities working in perfect harmony. First up is the interface, basically how you talk to it. Then the connection, how it talks to your data. Third is automation, how it runs without you having to do anything. And finally, custom apps, tailoring the whole system to your specific business needs. Honestly, if you're missing even one of these 4 pillars, you don't have an operating system. You just have a really, really smart calculator. Starting with that first capability, the concept is super simple but incredibly powerful. Same intelligence, every interface. What this means in the real world is kind of astonishing. Using just one core intelligence, say a single Claude subscription, the AIOS can simultaneously power your interactions on the web, through voice commands, right in the developer terminal, and even inside chat apps like Slack and Telegram. You aren't buying a bunch of different bots for different apps. No, you're deploying one central brain that can listen and speak through literally every doorway in your business. Now, let's look at capabilities 2 and 3. This is where the system really gets its hands dirty. MCP connections, that stands for Model Context Protocol, allow this central brain to link directly into your existing software stack. It reads your CRM, it checks your databases. And because you have that deep connection, you unlock scheduled automation. The system can run complex, multi-step tasks on a totally set schedule, entirely without human prompting. It doesn't need you to hit go. It just does the work. That brings us to Section 4, the Sunday night pipeline and real-world AI agents. Let's look at a specific real-world application detailed in the source material, an AI agent that runs a VP of Sales weekly pipeline review. Think about the massive amount of admin time a VP of Sales spends every single Sunday night or Monday morning just pulling reports, checking deal statuses, compiling pipeline updates. It's exhausting manual work. But here, an agentic AI is programmed to handle this high-level synthesis totally on its own. It fetches the data, analyzes the progress, and prepares the entire review, automatically. And here is what's truly staggering about this, the cost. 10 cents. That entire complex, multi-layered, VP-level weekly pipeline review executes for exactly a dime per run. When we talk about real ROI, I mean, this is the mic drop moment right here. You're replacing hours of expensive executive-level time with a process that costs 10 cents. This isn't just about saving a little time. It's about fundamentally restructuring the entire cost of intelligence and administration in your business. Which leads us to our final technical deep dive, Section 5, Building the AI Engine and the Back-End Tech Stack. For the tech enthusiasts out there, the crucial takeaway is that a specific combination of specialized back-end tools is what creates the engine of your new AIOS. It's not just one magical piece of software. It's an orchestrated stack. You've got Trigger.dev handling the background jobs reliably, NAN serves as the nervous system for workflow automation, tying it all together. Superbase provides that rock-solid database foundation. If the system needs a voice, 11 Labs handles the generation. And powering the actual thinking, that core intelligence, is Claude Code. It's a brilliant assembly of best-in-class tools working perfectly together as one unified organism. So when you step back and really look at the big picture here, the transformation is profound. We're going from fragmented, costly subscriptions that just sit there waiting to answer our questions to a unified system that proactively acts on our behalf. By implementing those 4 capabilities, the interfaces, connections, automations, and custom apps, and utilizing that powerful back-end stack, you finally stop paying for idle software. Instead, you're investing in an active, money-saving digital workforce. Which brings us to a really critical question you need to ask yourself and your leadership team today. Is your AI stack taking action, or is it just taking your money? Really take a hard look at your current subscriptions, because if they aren't executing workflows, if they aren't seamlessly connected to your data, and if they aren't operating totally independently to save you hours of manual labor, well, it might be time for an upgrade. It might just be time for an AI operating system. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Keep optimizing, and I'll see you next time.